good-looking car.
I was going to say vote online. Racing at Rockford.
Yeah. He'll be in the contest next week. He won his round 1 match.
Okay.
I can't remember who he was against, but he did win his round 1.
I'm glad you got all the eliminations set up for all that.
Yeah.
It's going to be a nice little puzzle for you.
Yeah, it definitely took time. So they're going to pick up speed. Let's say it with me, fans. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Holy cow, Bill Falmus was out to the races. Wild Bill's his nickname. He said, forget you guys, I'm going to win. Oops. Gotta wait to cross the start-finish line before you can run away with it.
Yeah, he's had 3 heat wins, so he definitely wanted to get out that. He's 6th in the points in that 1978 Chevy Caprice.
They're going to do it again this time by. Say it with me. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. That looked a lot better for our starters.
Sure does. Josh Cabin in that 7 machine trying to sneak in there. But it's William Balmus in the 64 out front. Justin Wagner in that new car in the 73, working the low side, working it hard. Right behind him, the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury running off your top 5.
Whoa, as Cavan goes high and says, hi, Wall. Here comes Justin Wagner. Cavan stays right on it. No yellow flag there. Good deal. Good driving, Justin Wagner. Looks like the good driving of Josh Cavan as Justin Wagner, I think he almost locked up his tire there for a minute. We saw some smoke.
It's a possibility. It's
Whoa.
Chris Page now gets a little slick over there and turns 1 and 2. Somebody might be leaking something too, because that just looked like it was a little bit different than normal.
You can see it too, Eric, as it comes out into turn 1 there and it drops down on the inside. Somebody's leaking. It looks like it's the 7 car of Josh Cavan, as once he pulls to the infield, you can see that line of probably water going down there. And ladies and gentlemen, if you didn't know this, race cars never do good on water. That's probably why we cancel last
The
week.
Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners as the car corner pace car ducks on. Raw steel restart zone in effect. And we're green flag racing. And it's William Balmus now taking the lead. Justin Wagner on that low side with the 73. He got a little skittish as he lost a little bit of pace to the 22 of Dwayne Lounsbury along that back stretch. And sitting in that 4 spot, the 51 of Chris Page. William Balmus out front in that 64. Justin Wagner trying to make some movement in that 73. Still having some trouble in turns 1 and 2 as Dwayne Lounsbury working that high side in the 2nd spot. They will now try to battle the 64 of Balmus. As Chris Page rounding off your top 4. Josh Cabin already off the track in that 7 machine in the middle, just kind of watching. Not where you want to be. Balmus and Lounsbury have a little bit of a battle. We're about halfway through heat number 3 of the Roadrunners. Lounsbury trying to duck underneath on the low side. Not enough yet for Balmus in that 64. Wagner trying to creep back in that 73 machine. And Balmus hang on and hold off Dwayne Lounsbury. For the point system, it'll be pretty big. Balmus trying to get into that top 5. And with Josh Cavan sitting right in front of him, there's good opportunities. 1 to go when they check the line. Balmus still in first. Lounsbury in second. Wagner right there. 1, 2, and 3 as they go. Page in that 51 still struggling. Wagner trying to take the low side on Lounsbury, but can't get it. William Balmus will be your winner. Dwayne Lounsbury second. Justin Wagner third. And the 51 of Chris Page rounding off your top 4. In that 64 car, William Balmus out of Rockford, Illinois. Spartamax Gun Oil. Wayne Lensing Historic Auto Attractions. Prime sponsors of that 1978 Chevy Caprice. It is his 4th heat win in that 64 car.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I need you to listen up. We have a big change in our event plans here as the threat of Mother Nature is trying to ruin our night again, but it's not going to happen. What we're going to do is we're going to cancel the rest of the heat races. We are going right into our championship night, starting with the features. If we have time at the end of the night, we're going to get in our Roadrunner Challenge outhouse right for the championship. So what's going to happen, once again, we are scratching the heats due to the threat of rain. We have got to get our racing in. We are crowning champions tonight.